What's up YouTube, it's hip-hop channel YTV and I'm back with another episode. Today we have a topic about legendary New York rapper Curtis 15 Jackson, Bobby Shmurda and Tru live. The final live tour continues. 15 already had amazing live performances in the United States and his last performance was in Brooklyn. Of course, New York rappers attended the amazing show. Rapper Bobby Shmurda and Tru live linked up with 15 at the Backstage, so let's check this out the video, come on.
Nobody slip.
Man, the amount of liquor I seen pour this night is crazy. Shout out to Curtis 15 Jackson, Bobby Shmurda and Tru live. So today guys we have also another topic, and our next topic is about Kodak Black. Kodak Black living life in Italy. I'm going to show you guys now footage of Kodak Black making pizzas in Italy. So let's check this out the video, come on.
Ma lui là formazione!
Mais oui!
Ja, maar ja!
The vulture. Yeah, beat that pussy, man. Yes, sir.
Vai così, vai!
Pile that épice.
Via! Valhalla! Go!
Thank you.
Man, Kodak Black living his life. Shout out to Kodak Black. So it was all. Thanks for watching. It's hip-hop channel YTV. If you like the video's content, subscribe to the channel. Also get the notification bells and don't forget to visit website hiphoptv.com. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.